Ever wondered why medicinal herbs play such a crucial role in our health and well-being? These natural wonders, used daily, offer numerous health benefits and are cost-effective. Imagine having a natural pharmacy in your backyard. Growing your own medicinal herbs can be a rewarding experience both for your health and your pocket. Choosing the right medicinal herbs to grow depends on your needs and your local climate. Consider your health goals and which herbs thrive in your region. Popular picks include mint for digestion, basil for stress, and lavender for relaxation. Once you've chosen your herbs, it's time to get your hands dirty. Planting medicinal herbs is quite simple, and you don't need a large space to start. First, choose a sunny location. Herbs love sunlight. Next, prepare the soil by ensuring it's well-drained and rich in organic matter. Now, plant your seeds or seedlings, spacing them according to their specific needs. Remember, overcrowding can lead to poor growth. Lastly, water them properly, not too much or too little. It's a delicate balance. With proper care and attention, your medicinal herbs will flourish in no time. Growing medicinal herbs is not just about planting them. They require care and attention to thrive. Like all plants, herbs need water, but remember, overwatering can be just as harmful as underwatering. Pruning is essential too. It promotes growth and helps maintain the plant's shape. Watch out for pests. They can damage your herbs, but natural repellents can keep them at bay. Harvest your herbs when they're most potent, usually right before they flower. Remember, a little care goes a long way in ensuring a healthy and productive herb garden. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. Medicinal herbs are nature's gift, offering a wealth of health benefits. Choosing the right herbs is crucial, considering factors like climate, soil, and your health needs. Planting and nurturing them requires dedication, but the payoff is immense. The joy of watching your herbs flourish, coupled with the knowledge that you're growing your own health remedies, is truly rewarding. With these steps, you're well on your way to a healthy, homegrown pharmacy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!